Hi Christopher, this is Brian from Burtness Chevrolet, looking at the 2013 Toyota Prism. That's a 2-liter motor, all-wheel drive, sport. Got the roof racks on top. Very nice shape. Show you the back there, all-wheel drive. Interior is in very good shape. As you can see, let me zoom in here a little bit. You can see not a mark on it. Does have the 5-speed manual, heated seats. Looks like adjustable seat if you want a pump seat, pump it up. Let me start it here for you. Runs very good, got excellent gas mileage. Have Bluetooth for phone hookup. Looks like very good rubber. And we got a price at $13,900. If you got any questions, my name's Brian, and I'll be glad to help. Thank you. Bye.